as a leader, you need to have some important keys. Keys that are important, that are very meaningful. That's why I told you to write those important traits as a leader. So if you want to be not just a great leader, but a high-performing leader, what should you be doing as a leader? If there is a problem, how will the leader solve it? Can you connect? The relationships we spoke about. Can you connect with your teams? Are you building trust with your team members? A leader has a growth mindset. On your people skills, business skills, personal skills, and action-taking skills. So where are you now? Where you want to be. You're building a culture of high performance. You are enabling profitability, better economic growth. Go through that. Thank you.
Thanks, Chanjita. Your lecture was valuable, and your presentation was very nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it, and I'm so glad to hear from you.
Thanks a lot. It's a really inspiring workshop, and you gave us many answers, but you also we are going out with also many questions, many inquiries that to follow on. So
yes.
This is what makes a great workshop, not just to get answers, but to look forward,
to think more. Yes.
So thanks a lot.
Most welcome. Thank you.
I'm really thankful for the workshop. Basically, what you provide, you underline the things, you arrange the thoughts, you give us a way to focus on the things that we normally may be doing, but you give us the right path. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
And to be a part of this workshop. Just you are a very lovely coach. And
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It's a great workshop. I hope more workshop like this, and to meet you also.
Oh, my pleasure. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You are welcome in Oman, and thanks for your workshop. It's give us good idea and good experience. And I hope more and more workshop on this kind of leadership.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I want to say thank you very much. We learned many things from you.
Sangeeta, it was really great workshop. You have given us a lot of insight about leadership, skills, more about ideas, example. It was wonderful. Thank you again. Welcome to Oman. Hope to see you on your next trips.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Sangeeta. It is really fantastic. So many ideas, so many experience you give us. It's very nice, which will help us how to lead our team in the future also. Again, I think thank you very much.
Most welcome. Thank you. Thank you.
That we had you here today, and this is really a good chance that we are really with you.
Thank you so much. It was very great workshop, and it was very informative.
Thank you very much. It was a great course today. I hope very soon, within a month or two, we'll contact you and send you messages. Thanks for making us better leaders.
Thank you. Inshallah. Yes.
Sangeeta for this workshop, and it was really inspiring, and I learned a lot. Thank you very much.